Aging does not happen suddenly, and it does not arrive all at once. It is a gradual process that unfolds quietly over time. Every single day, your body receives countless small signals. Together, they shape how fast or how slowly aging progresses. Some daily habits gently push the system toward faster wear and breakdown. Other habits reduce biological pressure and slow that process down. The difference between these paths is almost invisible in the short term, but over years, these small differences accumulate into noticeable change. One of the strongest and most consistent signals is sleep timing. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time each day sends a powerful message to the body. This consistency helps stabilize the internal biological clock. When internal rhythms are stable, cells experience less long-term stress. Over time, that stability supports slower biological aging. Another important signal comes from daily movement. This does not mean intense workouts or physical exhaustion. Simple, repeated movement tells the body that it is still being used. Movement keeps cells responsive and prevents systems from becoming inactive. Without regular motion, many processes slowly begin to decline. Constant eating is another often overlooked source of biological strain. When food arrives all day long, the body rarely switches into repair mode. Longer breaks between meals create space for cellular maintenance. During these breaks, efficiency improves instead of constant output. Over time, this reduces metabolic load and internal stress. Morning light is one of the most underestimated daily signals. Light entering the eyes tells the brain exactly what time of day it is. This information helps synchronize sleep, hormones, and recovery. Better alignment supports long-term repair and balance. Muscle plays a much larger role in aging than most people expect. It is not just about strength, fitness, or appearance. Active muscle sends a signal that tissue is still needed. This signal helps slow physical decline and loss of function. Stress itself is unavoidable in modern life. The real issue is prolonged stress without proper recovery. When recovery is missing, inflammation remains elevated in the background. Lowering this baseline load protects long-term health. The brain also responds strongly to daily habits. Learning new skills and experiencing novelty keeps neural circuits flexible. That flexibility helps preserve cognitive function over time. No single habit can stop aging on its own, but together, small habits gradually change the overall direction. Nothing extreme, dramatic, or exhausting is required. Simple habits repeated every day quietly slow aging.